Good morning, my students. How are you? Before starting today's lesson, it will be good if we pray first. Pray begin. Finish. Today we learn about the habitats of living things. Animals have many different places to live. There are animals that live on land. For example, chickens, cats, goats, cows, horses, elephants, and more. There are animals that live on water. For example, various types of fish and swim, whales, and sharks also live in water. First, let's discuss where animals live. Do you know the name of these animals? It's a duck. Duck is cute animal. Duck lives on land, but duck love to be in the water. Small duck can already swim in water. Large duck is good at swimming. They have long wings and wide beak. The duck's feet are webbed for swimming. Duck likes to eat worms and snails. It looks for worms in watery soil. The beak is used to find worms. Water is where it looks for its food. Land is a place to rest. Let's look at the picture on the side. That's a picture of fish. Fish are an aquatic animal. The place where fish live is in water. Fish can live if there is water. Fish will die if they run out of water. Fish breathe in water. Water is where fish live. In water, fish look for food. Water is where fish breathe. Fish food is water animals or small plants. Next, it is frog. Frog is animal that live in two realms. Frog lives in water and on land. Frog can survive on land, but they cannot stay on land. Frog has four legs. With their legs, frogs swim in water. Frog can move freely in water. On land, the frog can also look for food. Its food is small animals on land. For example, mosquitoes or insects. Next, we discuss where plants live. Take a look at the picture on the side. What kind of tree is that? That's a coconut tree. Coconut tree have green leaves. Its trunk is unbranched. The trunk is strong and hard. The fruit is green. Some are yellow. Coconut trees live on land. Have you ever seen an aquatic plant? Have you ever seen a water hyacinth plant? Water hyacinth is a water plant. This plant lives in water. Water hyacinth is found in fish ponds. This plant grows easily in water. Its leaves are green and its stem is soft. Flowers and leaves rise to the surface of the water. The roots are in the water. It has beautiful and attractive flowers. Have you ever seen a water hyacinth flower? Take a look at the picture on the side. Do you know that plant? Have you ever encountered it? Look at what is attached to the stem. On the stem appears another plant. The plant has green leaves. It's called a fern. Ferns attached to another plant. Many ferns are found in the forest or in the neighborhood. Chickens are often found at home. Do you have chicken at home? Chickens are harvested for their meat and eggs. The meat and eggs become our food. Chicken meat and eggs taste good. Besides being delicious, they are also nutritious and useful for your growth. Cows are taken for their milk and meat. The milk and meat become our food. Milk and meat are useful for humans. They taste good, delicious, and nutritious. How many times a day do you drink milk? Milk is very good for your health. It is also good for your bone growth. Next, losses caused by animals. Are there any animals that are harmful to humans? Of course there are, and there are many, such as mosquitoes and flies. Look at the picture on the side. That's a picture of a mosquito. This animal is small in size because its body is light. Mosquitoes fly easily. Mosquitoes have suction needles. This needle is very small in size. When it bites, it sucks blood. How does it feel when bitten by a mosquito? It must hurt like an injection. Be careful of mosquito bites. Some mosquitoes live in dirty places. Mosquitoes can spread disease. For example, dengue fever. This disease affects humans. Dengue fever is very dangerous. Mosquitoes spread disease through their bites. When a mosquito bites, disease seeds enter. If the disease enters, the body will get sick. There are several symptoms of dengue fever. For example, if the body has a high fever, red spots appear on the skin. See a doctor immediately. Flies are animals that can fly. Flies have 6 legs. It has a pair of wings. The fly's body is short and fat. Flies like dirty places. All dirty places are infested with flies. For example, a fly lands on cow dung. After landing on animal feces, the fly settles somewhere else. For example, it lands on food. The food becomes dirty because flies carry germs. Flies spread disease through food. Food becomes unhealthy. Plants are very important to humans. Plants have a variety of uses. Plants are food providers for humans. Plants are also useful for the health of the body. Plants are a source of food for humans. There are so many foods that plants produce. For example, rice, vegetables, fruit, and so on. Food crops produce food. Food crops are harvested by humans. Our staple food is rice. Every day we eat rice. Where does rice come from? Rice comes from rice. Rice comes from rice plants. After harvesting, the rice is dried in the sun. After drying, it is made into rice. Then the rice is ready to be cooked. There are other foods from plants. For example, vegetables. Vegetables are healthy food. The body needs to eat vegetables. Eating vegetables often the body becomes healthy. There are also fruits. Fruit is a healthy and nutritious food. For example, apples, bananas, pineapple, and so on. Eating fruit, the body becomes fresh. Health must always be maintained. Eat healthy food that is nutritious and safe food. For example, fresh vegetables and fruits. Next, harmful plants. Some plants can be harmful. For example, the parasite and the princess shrimp. They take food from other plants. Harmful plants are not played. Harmful plants are destroyed. A parasite is a harmful plant. They take food from the plant it inhabits. Eventually, the plant that will die. In addition to the parasite, the Sai princess plant can cause other plants to die. The cause is the same as the science, which is taking the plant's food. Okay, that's all for our lesson today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. See you.